Does your cats keep tearing up your weather stripping? We put a new piece. Like this is a new piece I put in. It's the sticky kind. Push it right in there. Worked perfect. Cleared up the hole. But within maybe 20-30 minutes, the cat's tore it up. So I figured out this solution. I got a new one. It was just because of which stores were opening. It was Sunday afternoon. I was very frustrated. I got a new one, put it down, the weather stripping. And then I had some old tile. It's not a very neat job. I'm gonna do it to the front door, but I'm gonna buy nicer tile and cut it. These were just some extra pieces of tile I had laying around. You close the door. You cut the strips of the self-sticking tile. You get them for like 50 cents a piece at the store. Put it all the way down. Make sure you go over enough so the cat's nails can't get to the weather stripping. Make sure that the door can close though. And then I used a staple gun to make it stay. And let's see, it's been 4 or 5 days. You can see the staple. They haven't torn it up. So I'm gonna get nicer tile and cut it with straighter lines. And you really can't notice it if you look. Of course, you can see all the places the cats have torn up in the past. But you could basically fix this for $14. And your cats wouldn't be able to get into it, and you won't get the scents from the garage or the cold from outside.